All right. I can't find the gentleman who I have the interview with. Gentleman that I have the interview with, Mr. Dougie Benz, where are you?
Listen,
God.
I don't like people fuck with me. I don't like when people fuck with me. Yeah. I don't like it.
I'm gonna let you speak to RT boss Shani and let me see what he
because
see.
I don't know what to do already. Oh,
I understand.
I don't have the intention to fuck up nobody. And then I try off on me. Make me angry. It make me hungry.
I think this did done long time and nobody not trouble nobody, everybody gone in separate ways. So I don't see what the other for.
Miss Blingers, we live in a 2023. People wicked here.
And I know that and I get that and I'm very spiritual as well. That's why I always a cuss. But what I'm saying, this done. This done. So what is fast?
Ask them why them a try walk over from me. I don't know why them a do it and them think me would find out. A God me worship, you know, and him show me signs. And I am a chosen girl. And that is why it's so hard for them get to me.
So what they did
Miss Blingers, me didn't even want to talk it on the live. Because right now, I tempt me to do some things when me didn't even want to do.
Well, try not to do nothing what you don't want to do.
People want to talk what they really try to do. If me really talk it, it gonna look bad. I really don't want to talk it.
Where is the gentleman that I have the interview with? Mr. Dougie Benz, where are you? Guys, this is not a mix-up live. I swear to God, I can't not deal with the mix-up and the holy part. So, I look for the man.
The truth, nobody never believe me. Why me go come to my life and tell lies that somebody do something like that to me? So me look like one normal regular girl. Remember say a whole heap of enemies me having and a whole heap of people that try for me other from them, you know.
I don't really like this shot. I'm not gonna lie to you because I never think this done. I know people is wicked, but I think this done. After you not do nothing more to nobody. I thought this was finished. Mr. Dougie Benz, are you here?
Mom, in the comment section,
I can't believe it.
Real something me talk about. Real something me talk about. Like really, them people them don't want me live, they want to kill me, Miss Blingers.
Well, I rebuke all of that, Shani.
People them want to get rid of me. Ask them why they want to get rid of me. I didn't put me on her, they want to get me
Shani, Momo,
this is not a lot to me.
This is not a mix-up live, Momo. I'm trying to
Miss Blink, so why you said that? You know,
what happened?
Me, I tell that, you know, me see announce it about 10 times, but this is not a mix-up.
No,
like,
anybody, my line is full of people, and the person...
Yes, come here, Cass. It's a mix-up live now. Cass, send in a request.
Serious.
Oh, Chrissy, so sad.
I'm dead serious.
Okay, somebody call me. Boy, bring me up. The person that come when me have. So Momo, we have to deal with that case here separate from this because we never know
why do you think so?
Yeah, man.
You hear me?
Yeah, man. Them think more of
Shani, this we have to deal with separate. This me have to deal with separate me love.
Dangerous dreams me I get, Miss Bling, and some dangerous dream. Yes, spiritual.
Let me
If
hear
you're
what
not
Kat say.
spiritual and care.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me have to deal with that situation here for one different time. Momo.
Yes.
Momo.
Huh?
We have to deal with this situation for one different time because this need crowd.
Hey, Doggy Ben's late, you know? Doggy Ben's late right now, Bling. When there?
What?
I'm late. I'm sorry. Remember, I said I'm call me everything
serious.
fuck when I reach.
Hi,
Hold
Mama.
on, Shani, I want to ask Cass. Hello, boo. Shani, hold on. I want to ask Cass if she have it dreams, obia dreams too. If nobody are obia, it's only fear.
No, sir. Not me.
Momo.
Huh?
She's serious. She's not
Me I try to ask Cass if them are obia she, them must obia she because anytime she go live, him sending requests. So true, me they want to see if would have come over here tonight. Remember, say when Cass go live, you know, him say add me. So for the people to see CMR over here, you're there. Bring the people that might cost me. I don't know if you talk.
That's why me actually have to tell us that we have to go angle this live. You want different way.
No, we never plan this, Bling.
Me not plan this neither because I'm.
Okay, you never want over. You said me bring mix here. I don't want no mix up people over here. You say it 10 times.
Because me have the interview with Dougie Ben.
But Dougie late. He must go hold on.
No, me give him the interview.
Dougie, I'm a friend. Dougie, big up yourself. If I'm a friend, you
Yeah.
might understand. So, Cass, you feel like anybody tried to obey you too? Oh. So why you did that on TikTok? Them say you did a thing, said see a side chick son.
Yeah. No.
So you missed the man?
No.
Oh. Shani, drink some more, Shani. Me like when you drink the lemonade. Drink the lemonade, Shani.
The wife just said when she.
Shani, remember send me a auntie, you know. All right. Behave yourself.
Yeah.
All right. Yes. So why them I put Shani? Cause Shani a cuss. Like you want to call the people them name. I call the lady all type of thing right through, you know. And then me see you I put up side chick song. Don't follow blood clot, Shani, you know.
Yes,
Behave yourself.
not trouble nobody. But
Shani, me here you go on with some piece of cuss in that bitch.
me alone. Don't like to mess with me.
So how you know the lady are up here, Shani? You can't run them allegations there.
That's why I'm saying, Momo. She's serious because she keep repeating it. And she said she doesn't.
Yeah, but I think Boston read and tell us that nobody not up here.
No, I have to ask her. I have to ask her differently, Momo. What happened? Why she say this and them something there? Me just never. This is why me click the live. Me have the interview where I promote her wig line and her lip gloss.
Yes, to make sure to follow Cosmetic Paradise Cosmetics. Your boom boom my paradise. I saw the song go.
Hold on. So why cast name? So Cass, why you name your? Hold on. So Cass, why you name your lip gloss Cass Paradise? What's the reason for
my
that?
lip gloss name is Glass Contour.
Oh. You see how Shani mother mix up? You see how Shani mother mix up? And I call me mix up?
I use Cass Paradise.
And then me say, no, me didn't need to say Paradise Cosmetics.
It's Glass
Contour. Paradise. Shani, they get confused, yeah.
The reason why me bring this on the live is because me can't fight this by my own because of some strong witchcraft them a work for me. It's because me anointed and me see it in the spirit, me feel it, That is why I come on here and I make everybody know. Say something I go on spiritually. They might try to fuck me up. I'm
It come like, it come, yeah, parent marry and all.
I don't want nobody.
Momo!
No, me serious, cause she move like lady star right now, I don't like this Shani.
Drop out of my blood clot. Right now, tears want drop out of me, yeah. Why people so wicked? And then feel like someone would find out.
Shani,
Alright.
God have you. Trust me,
I'm
we have
gonna
to
pray
pray
for
for you.
Shani.
You don't start with the prayer thing now.
Yeah.
With me up
Mama,
here.
you love to fuck with too much. You know, sister, my daughter in a problem.
I'm gonna pray
Yeah,
for Shani.
that's a go over there.
Every night, some night on my live, I do prayer. I'm gonna pray for Shani.
Like,
what
from
that
Christmas.
something?
Hold on. Cassie said she have a prayer for Shani. Cassie, what you say?
I'm like on the side chick them link up there and big up on the self woman
Women
empowerment.
empowerment.
CMR, they were
Yeah,
calling blood clot are now. Let me even call up your name again. Right now, we want paid promotion for make us start.
Rock the sun, Momo. Rock the sun.
I said, lion, Chrissy, me I go on TikTok 10 o'clock with Miss Blink. Then we all lion and we stop talk.
Them people are wicked.
Hold on. Listen. My interviewer is here, so we're gonna do this later, okay, guys?
Yeah.
Shani,
Come on, she kicking out off
Shani,
that.
it's okay.
Talk to you, Shan. Just go and hold it.
Dougie, wait.
Yeah, we soon.
Everybody come fine. Should I come back later?
Go have the interview and come little more. No worries, she got silence later.
Walk up on TikTok and get lion. Because Chrissy did not get CMR lion when the pregnancy video did play.
All right, pass later. Momo later. Shani later.
Bye.